Hi there, everybody. This is Marybeth Angelelli. Welcome back once again to another video. And what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video today is the affiliate marketing blueprint and how you can position yourself by using a good, solid marketing system to be able to go from zero to potentially $10,000 a month potential. Now, I've got to get it out there first and foremost as a disclaimer. I'm not able to make any income claims, guarantees, or promises. Just sharing with you, though, a tested and proven system that I've been successfully using now, along with a lot of other marketers for the past 4 years, that has set me up very nicely for consistent income earnings on a monthly basis. Okay, by utilizing, applying, and implementing the trainings within and staying consistent with my marketing efforts throughout the week, okay? So what exactly do you need to be in a position to be able to start earning a full-time income from the comfort of your home? That's going to give you the potential for 5 figures a month, which equates to $10,000 a month or more. Well, you need a good solid offer, okay? First, you need a product. A high-ticket affiliate marketing product is going to put you in the best position possible, okay? So you need a high-ticket affiliate marketing system, and product would be your best business model, okay, to be able to accomplish that in the easiest fashion. What I recommend is promoting something with at least a price point of $1,000. Because if you have something that pays you, now direct member to member are the best, where you get to keep 100% of the commission. $1,000 is a great price point. It's not too high and it's not too low. And it's a lot easier in any given month to generate 10 sales at $1,000, which equates and equals $10,000 a month, than it is to go out there and find 100 people and sell something for $100, okay? You want to be in a spot where you can ideally be working smarter and not harder, okay? Less volume is a lot easier than trying to mass produce, all right? So first and foremost, a good marketing system. It always helps and it's always beneficial to have a good marketing system. Something with customizable capture pages, okay, that you can create for yourself with ease any time of the day or night that you need them on the fly, okay? They will work much, much better than those cookie cutter company pages, okay? Than cookie cutter generic company pages. I'll share with you a couple here in today's video so you can see exactly what I'm referring to. Now, having a bridge page, which is like a buffer in between your simple capture page and your sales page, is ideal, because what that's going to do is going to warm up your prospects, your cold leads, and it's going to help you to build that all important know, like, and trust in the eyes of your leads and prospects. And that goes a long, long ways in increasing and enhancing your conversions. And then you always, here's the kicker, folks, you always want to be building your own email list. You do not want to be building lists for companies. You want to be able to have your own autoresponder. I personally utilize Aweber, have been for a long time. You want to have it set up and structured where you have your own personal follow-up emails going out from within your very own autoresponder on your behalf for an extended period of time. Minimum, bare minimum, 30 days. I recommend no going above and beyond that, especially with a high ticket offer. You want to really have that in front of your audience, in front of your leads that you're collecting for up to a period of a good 90 days, okay? For the best return on your investment. And understand the money's in the list, the fortune's in the follow-up. That's why you want to focus your daily activities, your daily method of operations on building your own email list, collecting new leads. new subscribers, getting them onto your list, driving traffic to your capture page so that you can collect new leads. All right? So a good converting VSL is most beneficial. That's your video sales presentation. This is what's going to allow you to take this business and largely put it on autopilot, because through your advertising efforts, when you're driving traffic to the capture page, they're going to go there, they're going to opt in, willingly enter their email address, be redirected to your bridge page, and then ultimately to your sales page, where they're going to be afforded with the opportunity to watch a video that breaks it down, does the telling, selling, and explaining for you 24/7 so that you don't have to. And this is going to help you to complete your lead generation and put your business on automation, okay, in the best possible way. Using the essentials of tools, different marketing tools, resources, softwares, and having a blueprint, a guide, training, step-by-step training to follow, okay? Ongoing training, ongoing masterminds is just the icing on the cake, folks. Bonus training. That's ideal, okay? Because you always want to be learning, folks. You always want to set yourself up to learn the current marketing methods using the latest and greatest in technologies. As we know, technology rapidly evolves and changes, and you need to be willing to change and adapt with those changes, okay? So being able to be flexible, consistent with your marketing, adaptable, teachable, trainable, and coachable. Those are ideal, characteristics to have and attributes when you are online and serious and focused about building your business, okay? Using a variety of marketing methods. Free methods are always great, especially if you don't have a huge ad spend budget getting started. Social media marketing, very effective, all right? Such as YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Those are all free methods. So if you're somebody who has more time than money, initially when you're getting started, you want to make really good utilization out of those platforms and the training within a system like this one. Paid marketing. There's a lot of low-cost methods out there, such as Craigslist. You can start with also clicks and solo ads. Start from where you are. That's what I would recommend. A 100-click package, and then scale up as your resources and budget permit you to, okay? And if you do have the resources, offline is always great this time of year. Busy season, folks. Direct mail order boom season is very much in action. So postcard marketing can work very great, very duplicatable. There's also magazine advertising and newspaper advertising, just to name a few, okay? So again, a good business model is one that is of higher ticket, a good ideal price point that has worked really well for me and converted really well over the years. As a matter of fact, I got started with an offer in digital affiliate marketing back in the day, a single price point of $1,000. Fast forward now, August 2023, this particular system, level 3, $1,000 product. And it's a highly sought after product that will help you to build and enhance a very invaluable skill set. It's called YouTube Marketing Success. Okay, so this is something I would highly encourage you to give consideration to, and it combines the best of both worlds for a win-win scenario, also incorporating personal development into the level 3 product package. So the system I'm about to share with you is called Get Fearless Freedom. So we are going to head on over now, and I'm just going to take you inside real quickly, the back office. Okay. And we're going to log in. Okay. And this is a very functional, it's just a really easy to navigate back office, super user friendly, very simple. People love simple because they're not intimidated by simple, and ultimately simple just sells. Okay. So you log in, and everything comes with a set of step-by-step instructions and user-friendly videos that literally take you by the hand, guide you through, walk you through. You're also going to get a PDF downloadable guide that's 6 pages, and it shows you exactly how to get set up properly to equip yourself for success. Okay? You're going to be able to create unlimited customized capture pages, bridge pages. You definitely want to have your own autoresponder because this will give you your own ability to utilize the Done For You email portal that the owner sends out emails for us on our behalf for GFF every single day of the week. So that's most beneficial. All right. You definitely want a follow-up system in place. It's easy to set up and integrate with this system. You just follow these 4 simple steps: creating your list, turning on the confirmation message notification in your list options, and then select the list in your campaign here in GFF. Really, really simple. Those 4 steps. You activate your Aweber or get response. I use Aweber, okay? And then Done For You emails. This is something that the owner has set up. You just go here, select your list, and submit it, and you can have an email a day going out for you on your behalf for Get Fearless Freedom. So we've got everything in place under one roof, under one umbrella, so to speak, to help you to succeed. An endless ongoing training. All right. And we also have at the mastery level, that's the $500 level, you can resell the Craigslist auto reply software. Very easy functional setup right here, folks. Again, everything comes with a video and written instructions. You just put the email where you want to get your responses. You set up your auto response message. This is clickable. When somebody goes to your ad, clicks on it, reviews it, is interested, wants more information, clicks the reply, this is going to kick right back to them on autopilot automation, folks. So this system combines highly effective lead generation with the ultimate automation, okay? And that's a very nice, exciting combination. So we've got this tool right here, and then this is the Cadillac of this system, folks, the Supreme Level 3, the $1,000 product level, combining personal development within Beyond the Limit, 10 easy-to-follow video modules that you want to plug into and keep coming back to. I would definitely recommend that. And then we've got the YouTube Success, okay, the YouTube Success Secrets step-by-step training guide. 34 pages, you download it. There's additional bonuses at the end, videos and add-ons, extensions, and additional tools for YouTube that you can utilize and make really good use of. And then you basically just click here and you plug into your training, folks. And again, everything comes with written instructions and video tutorials, really to position you well to be able to learn, okay? Earn while you learn, folks. This is the ideal, user-friendly, newbie-friendly, beginner-friendly affiliate marketing platform. It's called Get Fearless Freedom. So to access this product, you're just going to go here, and it's going to be downloadable. YouTube Success, step by step. It's going to teach you how to go about setting up a YouTube channel that's going to help you to have success both now, short term, and in the future, long term. And that's exactly what you want. It is exactly what you want, folks. It's a guide. It's 34 pages, step by step. At the end, there's a lot of good bonuses and goodies awaiting you. Okay? So to find out more about the system, you're going to want to go to bestincomechoice.com, enter your email. You'll be redirected to a simple bridge page so you can see the way I am set up successfully and positioned for success in this busy season. Then ultimately, you're going to be landing right here, folks, on my sales page. Watching this video is accessible 24/7, 365. It automates my business, does all my telling, selling, and explaining for me 24/7 around the clock. And it's going to do the same for you. And that's exactly what you want. You're ready to get started. You just click on join here. You fill out the form. You pay your $47 admin. You'll be redirected to pay whatever product level you want to join at. Get in where you fit in, folks. 200, 500, or 1,000. Okay? And you can always upgrade by just paying the difference. Everything's highlighted right here, exactly what each product package comes with. You're ready to go. You just click the join now button. Okay? This defines everything on level 3. Right here, the combination of the YouTube Success and the personal development Going Beyond Your Limits video series. Plus, ongoing mastermind training, folks. It's available to members at the $1,000 level. All right? You're going to be able to earn 100% commission, get paid direct member to member, however you wish. This is the unique done-for-you email portal. You can check it all out and watch this short little snippet video. Here's a bonus page. Converts extremely well. You'll have access to this, and you can use this for any business, folks. By the way, I forgot to mention, not only can you use this for GFF, earn 100% commissions, 200, 500, 1,000. This is a universal marketing system. The training can be applicable and applied to any of your online businesses, your primary business, likewise with the tools, resources, training and software, and pages. Okay? This page converts extremely well, 60% or better. I've been using it for a long time. Hey, just don't take my word for what I've shared with you in today's video. Check out other testimonials of successful members right here, folks. Okay? So with that being said, thank you so much for allowing me to continue to share this with you. I wanted to come in here and share with you, the affiliate marketing blueprint that you can access through the system that will teach and train you and show you the ins and the outs, how to start and go from zero to hero, zero to a potential of $10,000 or more per month to give you the best possible chance of that. Now, disclaimer, no claims or guarantees, promises of income can be made. I'm just sharing with you a tested and proven system that's been out there in the marketplace and has been serving members very well, including myself, for the past 4 years. Here's some frequently asked questions. Definitely check into those. And with that being said, I'd love nothing more than to see you on the inside, welcoming you in advance to Get Fearless Freedom to my team. We have our next upcoming mastermind training right after Labor Day, this coming Wednesday. So if you join anywhere between now and then, you will get to attend this coming Wednesday, right after Labor Day, folks. These masterminds are amazing. They're best enjoyed and most beneficial live in the moment, but for whatever reason, if you're not able to, they are recorded and the trainings are all uploaded in the back office, okay? So with that being said, folks, head on over now, bestincomechoice.com. Give me a good email address. Come inside, see the success of the anatomy of a successful marketing system and sales funnel, folks. You'll see how my pages are set up for the best results, folks. And I can help you to do all of that and accomplish so much more. But you've got to take action first. Let's get you started. If you come through and if you like what you see and hear, I do believe with full confidence that you will. Let's get you started today. Okay, why put off until tomorrow what you can get done and accomplish today? Because this is the busy season, folks. The sooner you get in, the sooner you get started, the sooner you can start having results, and you can be in a great place to transform your life, both personally, professionally, and financially. Get Fearless Freedom is where it's at, folks. The system's been around. It's been serving the marketplace and serious marketers very well now for 4+ years. And if you're next, folks, I hope you are. And I'd love nothing more than to get you started, get you acclimated into the training so that you can go out there and take massive action this busy season and change the way that you do business. You can use this system to help you to make money with your primary business and also use Get Fearless Freedom to earn yourself some nice 100% commissions and open up and create an additional income stream with a great kick-butt marketing system. Thank you so much. My contact information is below. Text or call me with any questions. Go now to bestincomechoice.com and let's get you started today. See you soon. Bye-bye.